Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we'll be building a simple DIY calculator using a keypad, an LCD, and a buzzer. This project is perfect for anyone looking to learn more about working with Arduino, LCDs, and keypads. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno, a 4x4 keypad, a 16x2 LCD display, a buzzer, jumper wires, a breadboard. Let's start by connecting our components. The keypad's rows will be connected to analog pins A2 through A5, and the columns to digital pins 2 through 5. The LCD will be connected to digital pins 6 through 11, and the buzzer to pin 13. Make sure your connections are secure. Now, let's take a look at the code. We've included libraries for the LCD and the keypad to find our pin connections and set up the calculator's logic. When you press a key, the calculator stores the input, performs the calculation, and displays the result on the LCD. The buzzer beeps to confirm when the calculation is complete. With everything connected, let's power up our Arduino and test the calculator. Enter your numbers, choose an operator, and press equals to see the result on the LCD screen. You'll hear a beep from the buzzer when the result is displayed. And there you have it, a fully functional DIY calculator. This project is a great way to learn about using keypads, LCDs, and buzzers with Arduino. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.